Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to check the estimated ink levels of cartridges within a HP Envy 7640. This is nice and simple. It can be done from the printer itself using nothing but the touchscreen you can see here. And it's actually very simple to get to the screen we need to be on. There's a little ink drop found on the home screen of the printer. If you're not already on the home screen of the printer, there'll be a little home icon lit up here. Press enter to go into that. And here we have a breakdown of the ink within the two cartridges in the printer. My machine is having trouble recognizing the black one at the moment, so we've got that little X up there, but you can see a visual representation of the color there. If you're looking at this video due to a print quality issue you're experiencing, I'd recommend checking out our separate video for doing cleaning cycles and test pages from this printer, as it's more likely to be like a small blockage in the print head of the cartridge than the cartridge itself running out. But that's about all there is to see here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Drop a like if it's been useful. Leave us a comment if there's anything else you'd like to know. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.